Best beginner exercises for weight loss. Want to lose weight, but don't know where to start? Don't worry. Today, we will show you simple and easy exercises for beginners. These exercises will help you burn fat, improve fitness, and feel great. Number 1. Walking. The best and easiest exercise is walking. Walk for at least 30 minutes a day. It helps burn calories and improves heart health. Start slow and increase speed over time. Number 2. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a great full-body workout. They help burn fat and increase stamina. Start with 30 seconds, then increase time as you get stronger. Number 3. Squats. Squats help tone your legs and burn fat. Stand with feet apart, bend your knees, and lower your body. Do 10 to 15 squats in the beginning. Number 4. Planks. Planks are great for burning belly fat and improving posture. Hold a plank for 20 to 30 seconds. As you practice, try to hold longer. Number 5. High knees. High knees help burn more calories and improve leg strength. Run in place by lifting your knees high. Do this for 30 seconds and rest. Remember to drink enough water. Eat healthy food. Stay consistent. Start slow. Be patient and enjoy your fitness journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more.